Okay, I've just finished wiring this up. I have my new coils installed here. These two more drive coils. Nothing is soldered. Just the capacitors are soldered together. They're just clipped on though with the clips, the alligator clips. I've got this resistor here in line with the positive here. This wire is not hooked up. This is the one I'll be hooking up to make it permanent. What else here? This is the output I have here. It's 400 volts, 470 UF. With another Schottky diode just coming up to this light bulb right here. I've not ran this yet. I haven't even tried it. This out of the way. Junk all over here. Should have moved it. Note that I'm not using. Okay, well, this is the other half of the motor. These wires here are what was running the motor before. They won't be used. I've just trimmed them down here so they're not as long. Just got what I need now. So yeah, all I have to do is put this negative on. Oops, fucking wires. Just have to hook up this negative to the battery right here. And this should be already set. Power from the output will come to the bulb. It shouldn't draw very much current because that's, I think it only pulls just over an amp when it's hooked directly to the battery. So if there is something fucked up, it won't kill it. So we'll see here what it does. See if I get lucky in the first try, make it run. One-handed. Oh, counterclockwise it should run. Yeah, there it goes. First try, lucky. It's coming to life. Volts out. There's just a really small glow in that bulb. Just a solder trying to get red. I don't know if you could see it on the camera a little bit. .5 volts out. See if I can change it. See, it runs out the same timing coil, just on the opposite side of the coil. It's the exact same setup, it just reversed. See, these coils. I'll stop this if I can. Oops, that hurt. See, they are on the same pole facing, but they are wired opposite each other because, let's say, this magnet here gets this pulse, so these two coils here will fire, and then when it gets here, these two coils fire. So every second magnet goes by, like after this coil fires, it gets a magnet that flies by it, and then it fires on this one. And while this one flies by this coil without this coil producing a torque, this one is producing the torque, and vice versa. It alternates like that. That's what makes these motors so powerful. And when you pull the output, put the outputs together, the motor will speed up. but you can't have capacitors on the output. If you're pulling the AC current out, you can't have a DC power out. All you can have is one diode on each output to make it work properly. So let's see here. I wonder if I can hook this up by hand. One hand. My soldering iron's on. Just trying to jam that in there if I can make a connection with one hand. I'll short out this capacitor, this resistor. Sorry about the shaky hammer, I'm trying to see what I'm doing. There. Comes to life. Try if I can get this scope here to zero in with one hand. Pretty much identical. Except to adjust the timing. I'm just holding that there. Short out that resistor. Gonna try to find another one exactly like this. Put on that drive side. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Looks like it works. Just gotta fine tune it a bit.